Students, how are you? Hope you will be fine, safe at home and studying. Today I am going to explain the nature about the human geography, the first chapter, nature and scope. In this chapter I will explain the topic about the naturalization of the humans. What is the meaning of the naturalization of the humans? It means humans are living according to the nature. Just like in the primitive societies, in the ancient societies, when there was no science, no technology, humans are not aware about the law of nature. They are little known about the nature. So they are living according to the nature. As we know, human beings always interact with the natural environment. And technology indicates the level of cultural development of the society. The technology, what is the technology? Technology is the thing which make our life easy. In the primitive times, when people living in the forest, jungle, depend on the forest products. Even today, the tribal people of the Andaman, Chhattisgarh, even tribal belt of Rajasthan, they are also living with the nature, interact with the nature, depend on the according to the nature. They cannot go against the nature. And nature is itself is a powerful agent. Slowly what happens? Discovery of fire, discovery of wheel make our civilization to run. Later scientific discoveries make our life more easy, from the complex to simple. So students, when environments determines our activity day to day, just when there is a change of season, winter season, what happen? We are wearing warm clothes, sweaters, pullovers, coat. Why? Because we want to save ourselves from the cold and harsh climate of winter. Just like what happened during the summer, what happened according to nature, we are not wearing the warm clothes. We throw these clothes and start wearing the summer clothes that protect us from the warm winds, hot sun. So environment determines our activity. In India also, when season change, our total activity change. Our festivals come. They are come according to the seasons. It means seasons or nature is a powerful agent. We have to live according to the nature. If we are not obeying the nature, then what happen? He will not pardon us, kill us, destroy us. So we can change little bit nature, but not fully. So naturalization of humans means humans in the primitive society living according to nature, natural products, and their life is very simple, totally dependent on the nature. Lot of the people killed due to the climate change in the climatic conditions. They do not have proper vaccines. Mortality rate was high, but birth rate also high. Birth rate